Hi everyone. I've decided I would do a few walkthrough video guides demonstrating the new features and other things on iOS 7. In this first video I'm going to concentrate on the control center, which is a new feature on iOS 7. Now, to access control center, you just basically place your thumb or your finger at the bottom of the screen on the iPhone and swipe upwards, and you can now see on the screen that we've got the control center showing up. Now I'll start at the top left and work it along and then down. The first option that we can see, which looks like an airplane, basically pressing this will enable or disable airplane mode. The next one, which you can see is highlighted in white because I'm using Wi-Fi at present, is the Wi-Fi on-off. The next one along, that looks like a B, that's the Bluetooth. If you press that, it'll switch it on or off. The fourth one across is, which looks like a half moon, is the Do Not Disturb feature. Again, pressing that will switch it on or off. And then the final one on the top row is the portrait orientation lock. Again, pressing that will enable or disable it. Below that is the slider to control the brightness. Moving it to the right will alter the brightness, sliding to the left will reduce the brightness. Now, the big section below that is the music controls. So if you've got some music playing and you access the control center, in this section you would see the name of the song that you were playing, and below this you can play or pause, skip forward or skip back, or fast search or fast rewind the song. Below the play controls, you'll see the volume slider. Again, if you slide it to the right, it'll it'll adjust the volume up. Sliding it to the left will reduce the volume. Now, in the section below that, we can see AirDrop, and we can see, well, it's showing up David's iMac on my phone. Basically, the AirDrop, it's a feature. I think it only supports the iPhone 5 and iPhone 5S. And basically, you can, if you've got a picture or certain other files, you can basically just transfer them over from one phone to another, and you don't even need a Wi-Fi connection, as far as I understand. To the right of the AirDrop is the option to enable or disable AirPlay, and that's what I'm using at present. I'm using AirPlay to show this video. At the very bottom, we can see 4 squares. The first one, which looks like a torch, pressing this will turn the flashlight on or off on your phone, so essentially you can use your phone as a torch. The next one over to the right is the clock, and in this you can access the stopwatch, countdown timer, clock, etc. The next one along is the access to the calculator, so pressing that would bring the calculator app up, and the one at the far right is the camera. Obviously, pressing this would enable the camera. Now, to get rid of the control center, you just basically swipe down and it'll disappear. Now, also, if we go into the settings, there's a section for control center. So if we access that, this provides some options of how you're going to access or how you're going to see the control center. So the first one, access on lock screen. If this is switched on, you basically don't need to unlock the phone to access the control center. So you basically just press the home button slide up from the bottom and you would still get the control center appearing even if your phone was locked. The next one is access within apps. This will basically allow you to access the control center by swiping upwards if you were in an app, which is quite useful, especially if you go into an app and then you forget that you needed to put Wi-Fi on beforehand. You can quickly swipe up from the bottom, switch Wi-Fi on without leaving the app. I think that basically covers everything for the control center, because I want to keep the videos as short as I can, and then I can just concentrate on one thing in one video. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Goodbye.